guys, so we're going to make some shrimp scampi with some pasta. So we're going to put some olive oil in our pan here. We want to put a good amount because this is going to act as the gravy for our dish. We're also going to put some butter. In my case, I'm using ghee. Okay. Now, as this is heating up, I'm going to put some garlic paste in it. I do have a little ginger in my garlic paste. And there's also a herb in here, but I can't remember what herb it is I have in here. Alright, so let's just infuse the oil. Alright, so we don't want our garlic to burn, so we're not going to do this for very long. Alright, so now we're going to add in our shrimp. Now this shrimp I had seasoned with some, again, the garlic ginger paste, some Old Bay seasoning, and some Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs seasoning blend, and a little bit of salt. So let's cook our shrimp. Of course, I did wash the shrimp out with some lemon. Make sure everything is on an even layer so the shrimp can cook nicely. I'm just going to rinse out this spoon. Alright, let's stir our shrimp. Starting to get a little pink. Still has to get a little more pink. Oh, I did put some Italian seasoning when I was seasoning the shrimp as well. Alright, so we can see we're getting a nice pink color on our shrimp. We know shrimp doesn't take long to cook. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of red chili flakes. This is optional, just to add a little hint of spice. All right, so guys, at this point, let us add in our pasta and let us combine everything together. Because we can see the shrimp has gotten nice and pink. So I boiled my pasta already. So let's add that to this. You know, this one needs to be separated here. Oh, it's a lot of pasta. I wonder if my pot can hold all of this pasta. I have to try to toss this now. I think I need to get some tongs. Now usually with shrimp scampi you add lemon. I'm going to add just a little bit because my family doesn't really care for the lemon flavor so much, but I will still add a little bit. See, I thought the olive oil might have been too much, but no, look how nicely everything has soaked up because of all this pasta. So let me sprinkle a little bit. I have some fresh lemon from my garden here. Just gonna put a little bit in. Okay. Oh, I just lost a seed. Gotta pick that out. Okay, let's get that seed here. Come, 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 come. No, 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 don't go back in there. There you go. Okay, so I have that seed there. Right, let me just toss everything again. Mix up that lemon. Okay. Oh, I need to rinse up my hand. All right, so if you have parsley, now would be the time to add your parsley in. Unfortunately, I don't have any parsley, so what I'm going to substitute is with some sweet basil from my garden. So let's add that. And you know what I'm going to also do? I'm also going to sprinkle a little more garlic and Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend as well. Just to add an extra oomph to it. Why not?